I think the best thing about doing an apprenticeship is being able to obviously learn on the job and also have support from your employers. I had great support from my employer Claire. It's also great to be able to obviously make money whilst you're learning, because if you're in school you don't do that. You're in an education setting, and I didn't find myself at the best in an education setting, so I think an apprenticeship was great for me. Ges I llawer o profiad yn gweithio yn coleg ac yn neud apprenticeshiaeth. Ges I datblygu. Nes I dechrau efo business admin job, a wedyn nes I mynd ymlaen i neud MIS, a wan dwi wedi cael swydd newydd yn Clwyd Alyn, a swn i'n wedi gallu gael hwnna heb yr cymhwyster level 4. So through doing my apprenticeship, I learned obviously loads of new skills. It was great to be able to learn at my own pace and do my own work. I'd recommend an apprenticeship because I think it's a great way of learning, especially if you don't like being in the education sector. It's a great alternative to school or college.